Hi everybody, it's me, Ashley Richardson, back with another video, and today we are doing something a little different and talking about all things educational, specifically multiplication. So if you are a parent or a teacher who's looking for just some different strategies to help out with multiplication, stay tuned as we get into that. As an educator of almost 18 years, one of the things that I have repeatedly seen children struggle with is multiplication. And although I learned the traditional drill and kill method, as I'm sure many of you learned it that way, there are many other methods that have been proven to be quite effective in helping children learn their multiplication facts. Remember, it's not always about speed. We are helping children to be proficient and giving them all the tools necessary to learn those multiplication facts. Did you know that the multiplication sign between the two factors stands for groups of? Helping children to understand that we think of multiplication in terms of equal groups is very important. So this problem is just not simply saying 4 times 6, but it's reminding us that we have 4 groups of 6. We show groups of in repeated addition, equal groups, an area model, arrays, and a number line. Let's look at each of these a little more in depth. Starting with repeated addition. Repeated addition is adding equal groups together, which is the same as multiplication. If the exact number is repeated, then we can write repeated addition in the form of multiplication. So in our initial example of 4 times 6 equals 24, we see those 4 groups of 6 represented by 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We know that 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 12 doubled equals 24. Let's move on to equal groups. Equal groups multiplication is one of the best and most effective ways to help children with multiplication problems. This is because the equal groups are represented by visual models that help children to create sense and make sense out of the numbers and the multiplication symbol. Area models and arrays are very similar. The only difference is that one uses boxes or squares and the other uses X's. They both use the rows and columns method, or you could say the X and Y axis, to create those equal groups of multiplication. Our last strategy to discuss is the number line. To multiply numbers using a number line, we start from 0 and move towards the right side of the number line, carefully counting those equal groups until we hit our product. The number line works seamlessly with repeated addition, as it provides a concrete visual representation of their repeated addition equation. Well, that's it. We have covered all of our multiplication strategies, including repeated addition, equal groups, area models, arrays, and the use of number lines. If you like this video, let me know down below, and I can definitely do other content like this in the future. I thank you so much for joining me just for a little bit to learn about some multiplication strategies, and I look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Remember, my name is Ashley Richardson. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.